Habari tunayoenda kuwaletea nyingine ni hii. FDLR imetuuia mtoto wetu Ambassador Luka Attanasio. Sasa imerupoka hiyo mikia imerupoka kwamba asesio yenyewe imetuuia mtoto wetu Attanasio pamoja na WFP yetu pamoja na wa Italia wengine. Imevipinga asesio yenyewe imewaua na wakati ni yenyewe ni FDLR ndio imewaua. Inawezekanaje uniuie mwanangu nikiwa ninaona uso kwa uso ama nikiwa najua akili yako, kisha baadaye uropoka sio wewe umeniuia mwanangu? Iweje? Nimewaambia Waafrika wenu tumesha ufahamu tayari. Mnaenda mnaua weupe, mnaenda mnaua Waafrika wengine, mkisha waua mnaenda mnaropoka. Hapana, sio sisi tumewaua na wakati ni nyinyi mmewaua. From today, I'm asking the Prime Minister of Italy and the government of Italy not to agree on what FDLR, which has been killed our child Luka Attanasio, what they will say. They have killed our child, now our son. Now they are saying it is not them who did kill our son Luka Attanasio, when it is FDLR which has been killed him. Please, Prime Minister of Italy, please all Western government, do not believe on what FDLR is saying to you. Please. Do you want me to show you proof that it is FDLR which it has been killed our son Luka Attanasio? Come, I will show you the proof. Come, I will show you the proof. I have full proof. Come. Even nye mikia ya biuaji mkoje. Nye mikia ya biuaji ya Afrika mkoje. Sini nyinyi FDLR mlienda mkapiga marisasi nchini Rwanda. Mkaua yeko wanani wa raia wa wana na kuwaiba yeko na kuwaiba mbuzi zao na ngombe na nini. Kisha baadaye mkaropoka mkaambia serikali ya Rwanda hapana, sio sisi tumepiga marisasi nchini Rwanda na wakati ni nyinyi. Sasa byanyi mliropoka kwenye serikali ya Rwanda, sio nyinyi mmepiga marisasi wa Rwanda. Sasa mmekuja kuviropoka kwetu sisi kwa mtoto wetu Luka Attanasio. Mnadhani tutabisikia? Hatusikilizi maneno yenu. Tunajua ni nyinyi FDLR. Mmetuuia mtoto wetu Luka Attanasio, ambassadeur wa Italia de Congo. Ni nyinyi, prove tuko nazo. Hivi nyinyi mikia mkoje nyinyi? Mikia ya umbwa ya nyani mkoje kabisa? Mkoje nyinyi? You go and the Western people come and visit Africa. When they come and visit Africa, you kill them. When you kill them, when their government find out who did kill them, you started talking your rubbish mouth. No, it is not us who did kill your Western. It is not us who did kill your, when it is you who did kill them. When it is you who did kill them. That is what you are doing to our son, the ambassador of Italy to the Congo, Luka Attanasio. That's what you are saying now. That is what FDLR is just talking rubbish, which it has been killed him, and then killed his driver, and then killed his security guard and the other two Italian. That it is not FDLR which did not kill our son and then our other WFP workers, when it is FDLR, which it has been killed them. Don't you feel shame for killing our son? For killing our son, look at Tanasio, and he's the security guard, and then he's the driver, and then he's the other two Italian. And then you just talking your rubbish mouth, you yuck mouth and say, no, we did not kill them when it is you who did kill him. Don't you know that we don't know that? Don't you know that we don't know it? You can tell other people who doesn't know you're African evil dirty thing. But me, you cannot lie me. You cannot lie me. Hamwezi tudanganya sisi. Iwetu ni uwe wanangu baadaye useme say hapana sio mimi nimemuua. Munadhani Africa, don't you know that we don't know your African, your African dirty thing? Don't you know it? Even me, if I come there and then you just kill me, you will just talk your dirty mouth and tell my government and then say, no, we did not kill Helen when it is you who did kill me. Don't you know that the Western government doesn't know this? Don't you know it? That they don't know it. You've been killing a lot of Tutsi in Rwanda, and then you left the Rwanda country and you went into the Democratic Republic of Congo forest. And then you start lying people. No, it is not us who did kill Tutsi. When it is you evil FDLR. Now that's what you are talking to the Italian government and then to other Western, and by saying your shit and then saying you did not kill our son. Look at Tanasio when it is you FDLR who did kill him. We have proof to show the Italian government that it is you FDLR which it has been killing our son. Look at Tanasio with his security guard and then with the other Italian with the driver. Do you know? All Italian people, they already know that it is you FDLR which it has been killing our son. Look at Tanasio. Munadhani Uafrika wenu hatuujui. Munadhani sisi human rights Uafrika wenu hatuujui. Munaenda nyinyi mikia ya umbwa. Munaenda munatendea mtu hata na mimi nikija munaweza mkanitendea vibaya. Serikali yangu ikafanda out. Baadaye mkaropoka hiyo mikia yenu midomo yenu ya mikia ya umbwa. Baadaye mkasema no hatukumuua Ere na wakati ni nyinyi mumeliua. Mnadhani hivyo hatubifahamu? Fungeni midomo yenu. FDLR, fungeni midomo yenu. Tangia leo. Nisirudi kusikia mnaropoka sio nyinyi mmetuuia mtoto wetu. Look at Tanasio pamoja na dereva wetu pamoja na Waitalia wawili. Nisirudi kubisikia. Nisirudi kubisikia tena. Nendeni mkadanganya wasiojua Uafrika wenu, urabishi wenu, ndiyo. Even if I come there and then you even me, you will just kill me. Once you kill me, you will tell my government and say, no, it is not us FDLR who have been killed your right. It is not us. It is when it is you who did the killing. I just wanted to let my government know this so that I can know it as soon as possible. I just wanted to tell all Western people, all Western government to know this. Your Western people go and travel in Africa. And then this evil group of killers, they just kill your Western. Once they kill your Western, they don't speak lies to you. They tell you back rise to you, and then say no, it is not us, the group of killers which have we didn't kill your Western. When it is them who did kill them. Now that's what they're telling to the government of Italy by saying they did not kill our son. Look at Tanasio and then his driver and the other people, and then other people who was with him. That's what they're just talking their shit. They're just speaking their shit. Go and lie people who doesn't know your African, your evil rubbish African mind. But me, you cannot lie me. You can't. You've been sending your rebel to go and kill people in Uganda. And then when the government of Uganda found out, you started telling the President Museveni by saying, no, it is not us who been killing in Uganda. No, it is not when it is you. Mikia ya umbwa ilitokea kwenye nchi ya Burundi. Ikaja na silaha, ikaja na kukosesha amani nchini Tanzania. President Magufuli akaikata eko. Ikaanza kuopoka kudanganya wa Tanzania. No, it is not us who did kill Tanzanian. Sio sisi ambao tunakosesha amani Tanzania, ni wauaji wengine. Na wakati ni nyinyi ni mikia wauaji kutoka Burundi. Lakini President Magufuli aliwahasha kabisa kawakomesha. Sasa ndivyo nanyi mnavyotaka kutudanganyisha kuropoka sasa sio nyinyi FDR mmetuuia wafanyakazi wetu wa WFP, mtoto wetu Luka Tutanasio pamoja na wengine. Ndivyo mnavyotaka. Hatutakubali maneno yenu. No. As human rights, we will never agree what you FDR. You will speak by saying that you did not kill our son, the ambassador of Italy to the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Look at Tanasio. That it is not you who did kill him with other Italian and the other convoy. When it is the UFDR which it has been killed him. No, we will never agree with your dirty rubbish. We will never agree. We will never agree. You went and kill people in Rwanda and then shoot people in Rwanda and then you start talking the rubbish on the government of Rwanda by saying no, it is not FDR which we didn't kill the Rwandan. When it is you. When it is you. Go and tell those kind of your evil dirty rubbish mind to your other evil group of killers. But not me who knows how Africa it is. No, I'm not saying all African are bad. I'm not saying that my other two Christian African do not listen, do not try to understand me bad. I'm just saying the group of killers. Because the group of killers, when the Western people go to the in Africa, to visit Africa, or even when we send our convoyer on United Nations workers there, they just, those evil group of killers, they just kill them. Once they kill them, they started dying in the Western country government and say, no, it is not us who did then, kill your United Nations workers, or it is not us who did kill your ambassador Italian Luca Tutanasio. When it is them who did kill our son, or who did kill the Western. I have proven to show the Italian Prime Minister. I have the proof to show United Nations. I have the proof to show our Western government that it is UFDR which has been killed our ambassador of Italian to the Republic of Democratic of the Congo, Lucas Attanasio, and he's the other driver and he's the other conveyor. Thank you all for understanding me. Thank you all my sisters of God for understanding me. Merci beaucoup.